In this video, I will show you how to post your template on Capcut. So the first step is to open the app, and then you're gonna have to simply create your new project. So you're gonna have to create your template. So I'm gonna create a new project for this tutorial. Then what you're gonna have to do next is to simply make sure that the aspect ratio is set to 9:16, as you can see for TikTok, and then simply click on export in the top right corner. Then after the video is exported, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on share to TikTok. And then here, what you're gonna have to do, so you can add your sound and everything, then click on next, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on more options. And then as you can see at the top, as you can see right here, you have this option which is post as template. Now as you can see, for me it's disabled because you need to make sure that you are complaining with their terms and conditions. So as you can see, if you tap on read more, you can see what videos will be selected as templates. So if we click on this, we can scroll down, and as you can see, post as template is not available for the following. So you have here this list. So creators under 18 years old, video which are longer than 30 seconds, video which are already using templates or from AutoCAD, videos which are already using Duet, and as you can see, you have um, other steps here. So you're gonna have to make sure that you are not breaking any rules, and you're gonna have the option available, and basically this is how you can post your template on CapCut. Now keep in mind, if you're getting a lot of uses, so if people uses your template, you're gonna see the template in the app section. So if you go back here to CapCut, you can see that you have templates right here. Now these, as you can see, these videos here have thousands of uses, as you can see this one here. So you're gonna have to make sure that your templates is used a lot of times. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.